fact, viewers, BJP's, in fact, fact-finding committee is going to visit the Kasba Law College campus today, arriving at Kolkata airport by around 11:30 a.m., where BJP leader Agnimitra Paul is going to be receiving them. This committee, including Satpal Singh, Meenakshi Lekhi, Biplab Kumar Dev, Manan Kumar Mishra, are going to conduct a thorough examination of the crime scene. The college also reopens today with its authorities being present. Now, the team of the BJP is going to submit its report to BJP's national president, JP Nadda. And then we'll have to see what happens next in this particular case. And listen into this reaction.
देखिए, सवाल तो एकदम बहुत ही स्पष्ट है। जिस प्रकार से पश्चिम बंगाल के अंदर महिलाएं असुरक्षित होती जा रही हैं। पिछले वर्ष भी आपको मालूम है कि आरजी कार मेडिकल कॉलेज के अंदर जिस प्रकार से इस प्रकार का दुष्कर्म हुआ था, उससे पूरे प्रदेश के अंदर जिस प्रकार से वहाँ की जो सरकार है, टीएमसी की जो सरकार, उसके खिलाफ कितने आंदोलन हुए, कितना पब्लिक को सफ़र करना पड़ा। अभी लॉ कॉलेज के अंदर ऐसा हुआ है और टीएमसी के उनके जो लोग हैं, जो मेन जो उसका आरोपी बताया जाता है, और टीएमसी का सदस्य रहा, अभी भी है। दूसरे लोगों के बारे में मैं नहीं एग्जैक्टली कह सकता नहीं है। तो किस प्रकार का, जिस प्रकार की बयानबाजी वहाँ के टीएमसी के नेताओं के द्वारा की जा रही है, बेटी जो है कलकत्ता की बेटी हो या वेस्ट बंगाल के उत्सव की बेटी है, इसके ऊपर राजनीति करना नहीं है। ये उनके माइंडसेट को दर्शाता है।
So on one hand, viewers, we told you how a BJP team is going to be examining and looking at what really happened. On the other hand, there is a political war of words that's also going on. Now we have a fresh reaction coming in from Amit Malviya of the Bharatiya Janata Party. He's put out this post on social media platform X, and I'll just read it out for our viewers. He says, and I quote, Zaib Ahmed, one of the accused in the South Calcutta Law College rape case, was admitted to the same college, South Kolkata Law College, under Calcutta University, despite securing a dismal 2634 rank in CULET UG 2024. So he's talking about another accused in this particular case, how he had like a really bad rank but yet managed to get admission in this particular college. Meanwhile, meritorious and law-abiding students with far better ranks are being denied admission. He also says, welcome to Mamata Banerjee's Bengal, where the rule of law is mocked and institutions are systematically destroyed to protect criminals with political intentions. Who gave Zaib Ahmed a seat in this prestigious law college? In fact, that's the latest update coming in. If we can just go back to that tweet that was in fact put out by Amit Malviya. In fact, it had more details as well. That's the latest update now that we are getting for you. Amit Malviya of the BJP has put out a tweet as well, a post on social media platform X. And here he is asking who gave Zaib Ahmed a seat in this prestigious law college, who is really protecting him. Another scathing attack, viewers, there coming in from the Bharatiya Janata Party towards Mamata Banerjee, the Chief Minister of West Bengal, and the government of in fact, West Bengal. And there you can see he has put out this entire sheet as well, where we can see the ranks of various students, and here that's what he has confirmed. The rank of Zaib Ahmed was 2634. There were many other students as well before him, and he came from the general category. Despite that, this poor rank, he managed to get admission. In fact, in a prestigious college is what Amit Malviya has spoken about in this particular post. We will, of course, be tracking this aspect closely ahead as well. For now, slipping into a very, very short break. Stay with us.